And you know what I did when I got home from prayer and fasting? I don't have gas to cook food. I don't have rice. I don't have anything, and I am so hungry because I have been in prayer and fasting. When I got home, I don't have food. I don't have anything. My money is not enough. So I have, for example, 10 pesos. Oh, I know that you cannot you cannot relate with that. But anyway, I have 10 pesos, and then the food is worth of 8 pesos. I just only have 2 pesos remaining. So I don't know what to do. So the eight pesos I bought a rice so that I can cook, but I don't have gas. I don't have the pot to cook food. And you know what I did? I make a can, the milk, the baby canned milk, like that. I make it like a stove. Like I make a hole on this thing because they have already hole like this, right? And then I make a hole, and then I put the rice and watered it, and then I just get the papers, all papers. I put fire every now and then, fire, and then I make rice, and then I eat it.